ginagawa natin, no? Yung iba, nag-effort, nag-bihis, at hindi naman tayo nabigo dahil ang gaganda at gagwapo nyo ngayong gabi na to. So, hindi magiging maganda itong Christmas party natin kundi dahil sa inyo, no? Sa dedikasyon nyo, sa sipag at syaga. At bukod sa lahat, patuloy tayong lumalago ang ating kumpanya. At ang tanging hiling ko lang sa inyo, sana magsama-sama pa rin tayo hanggang sa mga susunod na taon.
So this year, really was full of challenges. Benta na hinahabol, rate na kinokolekta, POs na dinadeliver, and even a lot of calamities that we had to endure. Diba? Pero kahit marami tayong hinaanan, we pushed through together. I think that's what's important. Next year, Year of the Horse. Hindi natin yung logo natin. Diba? So Year of the Horse, mayroon yung puso talaga. The horse symbolizes movement. And Remosco moved a lot this year. Projects, expansions, and wins. Parang hindi tayo tumigil. And I hope you take a moment to feel proud. Kasi lahat ng hirap nyo, lahat ng pagod, lahat ng biyahe mula Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, Manila traffic, it all brought us here. You made 2025, a year na talaga horsepower ang big. From the bottom of my heart, and the whole Remosco, Mancom, and family, thank you for your dedication and loyalty. Thank you for being part of Remosco's growth. And thank you for being the leaders who will pull this company forward into a stronger 2026. Merry Christmas, everyone, and tara, let's celebrate. And may the odds of the 28K be in your favor.